Yes crew, back once again with another video, and I just wanted to say a big warm shout out to everybody who enjoyed the Fats tribute and left a comment, and also give you guys a heads up. We went to the funeral and the wake. It was a really good turnout. I didn't film the whole event because I didn't feel like filming, to be honest, because it was a sad time for us all, but I did catch a few of the highlights and also collated a few bits for you guys to kind of get an idea of what was going on. I just also want to say a big shout out to the family and all of the people who took part in the order of service. I want to say big up to the musical drum ensemble. They put on a really good, like a drum tribal, Nyabingi kind of rockers style drum tribute, and they sounded absolutely brilliant. Another highlight for me of the church as well was when they played jungle music on the exit of singing Fats's exit from the church. Check it out. I also want to give a big shout out to the pastor, Peter Nembard. I hope I said that right. He's a really good pastor at the church, you know, helped us to focus on the things that matter, and the things to grieve about, and messages to take away. And one good message I took away from the pastor was to live full and die empty, meaning that you're on this earth, do everything in your power to nurture your talent, and everyone's here for a purpose. And Fats done exactly that. He lived full and he died empty. He got all of his music out and he died empty. Yeah guys, leave a big REIP down below for the man like Fats. Also I want to say a big shout out to Gary Francis, Marley Marl and Shafiq Khan, who were just absolutely done the service a good justice. Chef, big up mate. Also shout out to Cleveland Watkins MBE, really good music at the church. And also Vanessa Freeman and friends. I believe Vanessa Freeman was the singer. She was really good, man, beautiful voice. Also want to say shout out to Fats's family, Kill nephew, Pev brother, really good speaker. He's got a talent for speaking to audiences. And also Mokoto, condolences again. Yeah guys, I'm just going to leave you guys with peace, love and unity out to everybody. Please go check out the 360 VR. I've compiled a little 360 VR video so you can get a little bit of an experience of, you know, what it was like to be at the send-off. It was incredible. Doves, he had a horse and carriage. There's so many people. It's a roadblock, man. Traffic jams everywhere. Love people. No amen therapy this week, guys. I'm going to be spending some time with my granddaughter and family, Mrs. Shout out to the Mrs. She accompanied me to the funeral. Let's start by saying some shout outs to some people. My heart goes out to everyone who turned up at the funeral. Obviously I don't know everybody there, but I'm going to shout out to the people who I know. I'll say big up to, first of all, shout out to Lady T for giving me all the support and down there and with me by my side all the way. Big up to man like Deluxe. Big up to Roy B. Big up to Danny Donnelly. Big up to Paul Hornet. Big up to Reclamation T. Marley Marl. Brian G. Swifty. Randall. Ray Keith. DJ Hype, Andy C, Ram, DJ Ron, Daryl Invaders, I saw you there bro, Chef D&B. Also shout to the DJ Bailey, and the Leytonstone crew, Mr. B and Mr. R. Shout out to Gary Francis, Marley Marl, Rafiq Khan. Also shout out to the band, musical selection, Cleveland Watkins, MBE, and Vanessa Freeman and friends. Singing was absolutely tremendous. Shout out to MCGQ. Crap, didn't say shout out to MCGQ. I did there now. Also shout goes out to MC Rage. Also all the DJs and the MCs at the wake. Guys, really nice order of service for those who didn't attend. Some really good pictures of Fats, family. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful memories. My boy was real good, man, real good. Anyway, enjoy the footage. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a like if you like it. Shout out to anyone else that I forgot to mention that was there. Yeah, bless.
Living the life. Sometimes it's nice to watch the tide. Put a vibe beside your mind. Words expression we design. Living life, feeling fine. Sometimes it's nice to watch the tide. Put a vibe beside your mind. Words expression we design. Living life, feeling fine. Sometimes it's nice to watch the tide. Sometimes it's nice to put a vibe beside your mind.